Ever wake up wondering if AI is coming for your job? Well, Just Capital CEO Martin Whitaker just spilled the tea on CNBC with a massive survey on how Americans feel about AI in the workplace. Spoiler, it's complicated. And workers are terrified. If you're an American navigating this AI revolution, stick around. And let's dive into the real talk, like if AI scares you too. Just Capital surveyed everyday Americans, and the results? Mixed vibes. High concerns about job loss, but conditional excitement for AI benefits. Whitaker says workers want transparency and trust employers to handle it right. No simple love it or hate it. It's all about how companies play this. Stats show 70% worry about displacement, but 60% support AI if retraining's included. Americans aren't anti-AI, they're pro-fairness. The big fear? Losing jobs to robots. Whitaker highlighted how visible AI advancements, like automation in factories, make workers anxious. Factors include media hype on layoffs, past tech waves killing jobs, and uncertainty about upskilling. It's not irrational, we've seen it before. But employers who stay silent, they amp up the panic. If you're in tech or manufacturing, this hits home. Workers aren't just scared, they have demands. Top expectations, full transparency on AI plans, retraining programs, job transition support, and input on decisions. Whitaker calls it very high importance. Fair treatment and honest comms are non-negotiable. Companies that deliver, they build trust. Those that don't, morale tanks and talent walks. Americans want to be partners, not victims. Why bother? Whitaker argues responsible AI is a win-win. Benefits, faster adoption, better retention, stronger brand, and fewer lawsuits. Rushing it? Backlash that kills long-term gains. The survey proves investing in workers pays off. Think reduced resistance and sustainable success. It's not just ethical, it's smart business for American companies. Practical steps from Whitaker? Communicate early, invest in retraining, create transition paths, involve employees, and monitor impacts. Adjust as you go. View workers as allies, not obstacles. For Americans, this means companies like yours could lead the way. Pro tip, start with pilot programs and feedback loops. Sentiment varies. Tech folks are more accepting, but still wary. Manufacturing and retail? High anxiety. Healthcare and finance? Cautious. Transparency is king. Workers crave honest timelines and updates. Silence breeds fear. Dialogue builds trust. Whitaker says even tough news is better than speculation. For bosses, worker concerns are real. Ignore them at your peril. Invest in training, communicate genuinely, and prioritize long-term trust over quick wins. This creates competitive edges. Americans expect fairness. Deliver it, and you'll thrive in the AI era. FAQs, survey shows complex feelings, fears plus conditional support. Whitaker's CEO of Just Capital, workers want transparency and retraining. Deploy responsibly for business wins. Bigger picture, AI is inevitable, but choices matter. Americans want shared benefits, not just corporate gains. There you have it, AI in the workplace, decoded. If Whitaker's survey changed your view, smash that like, subscribe for more, and share with coworkers freaking out about AI. Comment, what's your biggest AI fear? Laid off soon? Let's chat. See you on Careers Drive. Stay ahead of the curve.